In this video, you will be introduced to the Python programming system on the TI-84 Plus CE Python Edition graphing calculator. Let's start learning about the Python environment. Press Program and select the Python app. The Python app is now active, and you can tell that because of this symbol next to the battery. You're looking at the file manager showing the Python files that are stored in RAM in your calculator. As you add programs, their file names will be added to this short list alphabetically. We want to create a new program. So notice down at the bottom of the screen, you'll see these commands, and these are run off of the keys on the graphing row of our handheld. So if I want to open and begin a new program and select new, then I would choose zoom on my calculator. Notice I'm opening up a new Python program that I'm going to create, and it tells me the rules for naming my program. I'm going to call this program first. I can use second alpha lock and press alpha again to get capital letters. When I finish typing the name, I'm going to hit second alpha again to turn off the alpha lock. When I've chosen the name of my program, I want to choose OK at the bottom of the screen, and I do that by pressing Graph. Now we are in the program editor for Python. And you notice that our cursor is sitting on program line 1. So we're going to use commands to create our program. And so if you notice, the very first key down here is functions, and that's where we're going to find our Python commands. So I'm going to press Y equals, and this opens up several menu options. As I move across, I have control structures, operations, lists, types, input, output, and if I keep moving across, I have Python modules. I'm going to move back to input, output, and I'm going to choose number 1, print, by pressing enter. So this program is going to print Hello World, our first program. Now that I have my print statement, I need to put Hello World inside of quotations. So I'm going to press second alpha to use alpha lock, and then I'm going to press the plus sign to get my quotations. If I want hello to be capitalized, then I need to press alpha again so that I have a capital letter. If I now want lower letters, I'll press alpha again. I'm still on alpha lock, but now I have lowercase letters. I have to take it off of alpha lock to use the comma. I can put it back on alpha lock to include a space and then world. Now I need to include quotations once again. And notice when I put the quotations in that my parentheses becomes black. So now I'm going to do second alpha to turn off the alpha lock, and I have finished my program. I'm going to arrow over outside of the parentheses and press enter, and now I've finished my program and it's time to run it. So you'll notice down at the bottom I have a run key, and that corresponds to trace on my handheld. So when I push trace, it opens up the Python shell and it runs my program. So my first program prints out Hello World.